What is a proxy server? By watching this video, you can get all the information you need about what a proxy server does. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. A proxy server is an intermediate server that acts as a gateway between a user's device and the Internet. When you connect to the Internet through a proxy server, your requests are first sent to the proxy server, which then forwards those requests to the target server. The target server responds to the proxy server, and the proxy server, in turn, sends the response back to your device. Here are the key functions and aspects of a proxy server. If you connected to the Internet without using a proxy server, web servers can see your IP address. Therefore, your movements may be shared with advertisers and other users without permission. Proxy server hides your IP address. When you access the Internet through a proxy server, your IP address is not directly visible to the target server. Instead, the target server sees the IP address of the proxy server. This provides a level of anonymity for the user. Proxy server controls access. Proxy servers can be configured to restrict or grant access to specific websites or content. This is often used in corporate networks to control Internet usage and block access to certain sites. Proxy server speeds up access. Proxy servers can cache frequently accessed resources locally. When a user requests a cached resource, the proxy can deliver it directly, reducing the load on the Internet connection and speeding up access times. Proxy servers can act as a barrier between your internal network and the Internet, providing an additional layer of security. They can block malicious traffic, filter out content that may pose a security risk, and protect against certain types of cyber attacks. Proxy servers can log user activities, providing administrators with insights into Internet usage patterns. This can be useful for monitoring employee productivity, troubleshooting network issues, or investigating security incidents. Proxy server and VPN server seem to be the same thing. But there is a difference between them, and it is very important. Proxy server cannot encrypt data. Your data on the Internet can be viewed by the government, hackers, and advertisers. You can encrypt your data on the Internet by using VPN. There is also a detailed video about VPN server in the computer science playlist. In summary, a proxy server serves as an intermediary between users and the Internet, offering benefits such as anonymity, content filtering, caching, and security. The specific features and functionalities of a proxy server depend on its configuration and purpose in a given network environment. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.